Many people don't know this, but everything you install from source on Gentoo, it installs a tarball of the source code. You don't actually need git installed. It doesn't clone any repository unless you're using a live ebuild. But it basically just goes and it gets the tar.gz tarball from the upstream, and it will grab the source code from there instead of git cloning. So you don't actually need git installed on your system to, get the source code and compile it and all that. The problem is, by default, Gentoo doesn't clean up these leftover tarballs. That's why you need to use eclean. There's eclean dist, which is for source code tarballs, and then there's eclean pkg if you're using the bin host. These bin packages, any ones that are like old, they're still just sitting there on your system. Yeah, so all you need to do, first, eclean comes with gen toolkit, so you need to emerge a gen toolkit first. And then once that's emerged, you can use eclean-dist, and you need to run it as root. And it actually, depending on how many tarballs are left over, it could take a while. But yeah, as you can see, I already cleaned. So it tells you how much space you saved from how many files, and it will free that all. I haven't run pkg yet, but I don't really use bin host. But yeah, it'll clean up any leftover binaries there. Yeah, so basically just get gen toolkit from Portage, and then yeah, it gives you eclean dist and eclean pkg, and you need to be ecleaning pretty often. Yeah.